Alright, y'all. It's your boy Rome. I'm doing a little test. Cause I'm about to start coming with the videos for y'all, man. This is a guy doing a review on a Scat Pack wide body, which is what I'm trying to get. Alright, let's go. 485 horsepower. You could have got the leaves out of there with all that horsepower. Okay. Looks amazing.
Something that's awesome about the 2023 model year
Yes, sir.
Chargers and Challengers is you can pick pretty much any color you want for a Charger or Challenger for 2023 because it's the last year, so that's fun. Anyways, really cool hood scoop there in the center, and then you guys can see with the C-shaped daytime running lights. And it's got the scat.
Sorry, y'all. I'm doing a test right now.
Kind of like off to the side,
So just please lock in with me.
aggressive performance
I'm about to give y'all some videos for the ages, man. Just lock in with me, man. You know, I'm coming with the merch. This is not merch. This is not the merch. This is my boss's brand, but I'm trying to get a Scat Pack, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So just tap in with me, man. What we got here? What y'all know about this? Leave a comment, leave a like, leave a comment, man. Tell me what y'all know about this design. With the Brembo brakes, okay. Wide body kit, I love that. That's what I want, the wide body kit, bro. Like, come on, bro. We need that, bro. I'm about to start streaming, twitching, all that, bro. Let's go. The more you look at it, the more you view it, you know what I'm saying? The more you see your dream, the more it's going to come true. It's going to come to you. It's going to culminate to you. Let's go. Look, guys, and if y'all want to learn how to do this YouTube too, man, tap in with me, you know. Oh, nice. Look at the room on that. I'm doing all reviews, bro. I'm doing all reviews. Look at the room on that, bro. Let me see if I could get myself out the way right quick. Oh, sorry, y'all. I don't want to mess up the video, but
they were like the first ones to do the LED light bars, and everyone has LED light bars. Anyways, look at the spoiler here at the top, really aggressive.
Ooh.
You got the vents here at the back, part of the wide body kit.
I'm trying to expand this, y'all. I don't know.
But, you know, I'm not gonna
I don't know what's going on.
Charger logo and then Scat Pack logo there on the back as
it's just a test, y'all.
And yeah, like I said,
I'm just testing what I can do here. All right.
Now popping inside, this is where things get.
All right. Okay. Oh, my internet loading. All right, I guess that's enough. Yeah. Ooh, I'm glitching. Hold on.